Hello and welcome to our peaceful English listening session. I'm Alex and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Mia. Today's episode is called Calm English Listening, Relax and Improve Your Pronunciation. This session is designed to help you slow down, breathe, and enjoy English in a soft, gentle, and clear way.
In this lesson, we will speak slowly, clearly, and warmly. You don't need to rush. You don't need to translate everything in your head. Just listen, repeat, and relax.
Our goal today is simple: to help you feel calm while listening to English and improve your pronunciation in a quiet, comfortable rhythm.
Mia, something about speaking slowly feels very peaceful, doesn't it?
Yes, it really does. When you speak slowly, your mind also slows down, your breathing becomes calm, your pronunciation becomes clearer.
And you enjoy every word, one sound at a time. Sometimes people study English quickly with stress and pressure, but today we are doing the opposite.
Exactly. We are learning English like a quiet walk in nature, soft steps, gentle air, and time to notice the world around you.
So for our listeners, sit comfortably or walk slowly or simply rest. Allow English to sound like music for your mind.
Let's begin with slow phrases. First, just listen.
Breathe in and breathe out.
Now repeat after us slowly.
Breathe in and breathe out.
Well done. Now another phrase.
Everything is calm.
Repeat slowly.
Everything is calm.
Beautiful. Let's continue softly.
I speak slowly.
Repeat gently.
I speak slowly.
Let's practice smooth pronunciation. Focus on long, soft vowels.
Word. Peace. Let's break it. P. So now repeat softly. Peace.
Another gentle word, calm, soft a sound.
Calm.
Now together.
I feel calm.
I love quiet evenings when the world slows down a little.
Yes, I do too. Even the sound of voices becomes softer, more thoughtful.
Sometimes the best learning happens when we slow down and give ourselves space. No rush, no perfection, just presence.
Exactly. And for pronunciation, slowing down helps your tongue, lips, and breath shape every sound clearly.
Let's speak 3 calm, simple sentences again.
I am relaxed. I am relaxed.
Next phrase.
My pronunciation is improving.
Now your turn.
My pronunciation is improving.
Very soft, very smooth.
Imagine you are on a quiet beach at sunset. Soft waves, warm air, no noise.
You hear English like the sound of those waves, steady, peaceful, and natural.
When you learn in stillness, your pronunciation becomes steady too.
Repeat these soft words slowly, no rush.
Soft,
Peaceful.
gentle,
Quiet.
clear.
Now one calm sentence.
My voice is soft and clear.
Alex, what makes your day calm?
A slow morning, a warm drink, quiet music, and no hurry.
That sounds wonderful. For me, calm means a slow walk, fresh air, and light conversation like today.
Yes, today feels peaceful. Words like water, flowing slowly. Welcome back, dear listener. Take a slow breath. Settle into comfort. We will continue our calm English journey together.
This part is even softer, even slower. Our words are here to help you relax, focus on sound, and feel safe with English.
Mia, sometimes the world feels too fast, don't you think?
Yes, it does. People speak quickly, move quickly, and they forget to breathe slowly.
When language becomes rushed, the beauty of each sound fades.
Exactly. But today we are doing the opposite. We are honoring silence, space, and gentle speech. Let's repeat soft, simple lines. Listen first.
Slow speaking feels peaceful.
Now repeat gently.
Slow speaking feels peaceful.
Next line.
My words are soft.
Your turn.
My words are soft.
Now we shape sounds like flowing water. No tension, no pressure.
Word soothing. Break it softly. Soothing. Now repeat. Soothing.
Next word, quiet, hold the QU softly.
Quiet.
Now a calm sentence.
The evening is quiet.
Imagine a warm evening, a slow sunset, a soft breeze. You are sitting somewhere peaceful, and English is not a task. It is simply sound.
Like waves or wind or leaves moving gently.
Yes, English can be gentle, it can be warm, it can be soft.
Repeat with us. No rush.
I speak clearly.
Now you.
I speak clearly.
Next affirmation.
My English improves with calm practice.
Repeat softly.
Us English improves with calm done practice.
Let me tell you a quiet story. It's not dramatic. It's slow and simple.
A person wakes up early before everyone else. The light is soft. The house is silent.
They make a warm drink. They sit near a window. Birds are awake, but the world is still.
In that moment, they speak to themselves gently.
Today I choose calm.
And the day follows their voice, slow, steady, peaceful.
This story is not about events, but about space.
Space for breath, space for sound, space for quiet learning.
When you allow English to be calm, you stop fighting with it. You begin to feel it.
Let's practice 3 more calm sentences.
My voice is relaxed.
Repeat softly.
My voice is relaxed.
Second sentence.
I speak in a steady rhythm.
Your turn.
I speak in a steady rhythm.
Last one.
Calm learning is good learning.
Repeat gently.
Calm learning is good learning.
Alex, I think calm English is not only about speech, it's also about kindness to yourself.
Yes, when you remove pressure, you make space for progress.
When you stop rushing, you start growing.
When you speak softly, you hear clearly.
Thank you for joining us in this quiet session. You listened with intention. You repeated with care.
Your English doesn't need to be loud or fast. It can be soft, steady, and clear.
Every gentle practice brings improvement. Every calm sentence builds confidence. More.
We are here with you. In every slow step, every calm word, every peaceful breath of English.
Until next time, rest your mind, soften your voice, and enjoy the quiet beauty of language.
I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia.
Stay calm, speak softly, and keep growing with English.